Here's a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is go ahead and turn the phone on. What you can do is just press and hold the power button until it turns on. Your first screen should be right here, should be the welcome screen. So we want to go down here and choose our language. I'm fine with English. I'm going to tap on start. Also, when I'm done this video, the next video is going to be how to insert the SIM card. Okay, so that link will be in the description below. All right, so first we're going to go ahead and set it up though. So up here for your review, you can go ahead and read these two here. You must agree to both of these in order to proceed. Okay, so you can go ahead and read the details. Down here is I agree to sending diagnostic data, which is optional. Okay, you can agree to that or you don't have to. It doesn't matter. For me, I'm fine with having all of them agreed. I'm going to tap on agree down here. Permissions for Samsung apps and services, you can go ahead and look through these and untoggle whichever you don't want. I'm fine with all of these toggled on, and I'm going to tap on agree for myself. I'm going to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi network so I can get the latest update right now. So you can always skip it if you don't have current Wi-Fi and you can do it later, or you can always connect to your other phone via hotspot. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and connect now to my home Wi-Fi. Click on there. Let me put in my password to my Wi-Fi. After you put in your password, tap on connect down here. Checking for updates now. This may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. Okay, so we can try that. You can click on next, or if you want a fresh, clean slate, like which I want, I'm going to click on don't copy. However, if you have something you want to copy from, you can tap on next right here, and then of course you will need an your old Android, iPhone, or iPad device, or even an Android tablet, and you would click on next. Okay, so for me, I'm going to go back here because I'm going to click on don't copy. I want a clean, fresh install here. They're asking you to sign into your Google account, which is basically your Gmail, or you can go ahead and you can skip this and sign in later if you wish. Okay, so for me, I'm just going to go ahead and skip it for now. I'll go ahead and sign into it later. Google services, use location, allow scanning, and send usage diagnostic data. These are all optional, okay? So you can have these untoggled or have some toggled on or whatnot. I'm fine with all of them toggled on. That's fine. I'm going to tap on accept for myself. Protect your phone. You should go ahead and put some kind of password in right now. You can do fingerprints, face recognition, ID, pattern, PIN, password. Or you can go ahead and skip. I would advise at least put something in for now. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and put a PIN in now, and then later on I'll probably do a Face ID for myself. So let me go ahead and do a PIN. It's a 4-digit. After you type it in the first time, click on continue, type it in one more time to confirm. After you type it in the second time to confirm, tap on OK right there. Getting your phone ready. This is going to take a few minutes again. Samsung account. You can go ahead and sign into your Samsung account right here, right now, or you can go ahead and create an account if you don't have one, or you can skip and sign in later. Okay, I'm going to skip and sign in later for myself. You're all set up. You can go down here and explore your Galaxy right down there, and you can read through like tips. There's a bunch of tips on here. Anyway, when you're done, you can just go back right there, click on finish. And voila, we are in business. Well, there you go. Any questions or issues, comment below. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card. So in the description, the link will be below to insert the SIM card. All right, good luck, guys.